Hello children, today we are going to learn Standard 2 EVS Lesson 9 Clothes we wear. We all wear different types of clothes. Clothes cover our body and also protect us from heat, cold and rain. They make us look smart. We wear different types of clothes, right children? Yes. Clothes also one of our basic needs. Why do we wear clothes? Clothes cover our body and also protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes we wear are made from fibers. There are two kinds of fibers, natural fibers and man-made fibers. Fiber means fiber is a long thin thread of materials. Natural fibers are those fibers that we get from plants or animals. Some natural fibers are jute, cotton, wool and silk. These are natural fibers, jute, cotton, wool and silk. We get cotton and jute from plants and are called plant fibers. We wear cotton clothes in summer. These clothes are made from cotton fibers. We also use bags made from jute and jute sacks to keep things. Even ropes made from jute are used by us. We get jute fiber from jute plants. Cotton and jute give us plants. Cotton clothes are made from cotton. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep our body cool. We can make many things from jute. For example, ropes, bags, sacks. See, this is making of cotton cloth. We get fiber from cotton plants. We make thread from it by spinning, then weaving. Last we get cotton clothes. We get wool and silk from animals and these are called animal fibers. Wool fibers are used to make woolen clothes like sweaters and mufflers. We get wool fiber from sheep and goat. We also wear clothes made of silk in winter. We get the silk fiber from an insect called silkworm. Wool and silk give us animal. Wool give us sheep. Silk give us silkworm. See, this is processing of making of woolen clothes. We get wool fiber from sheep. We make ball of wool from it. By then knitting, last we get woolen sweater. Man-made fibers are those fibers that are artificially made by man. Some examples of man-made fibers are nylon, rayon and polyester. These are man-made fibers. Seasons and clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. See, this is woolen clothes. Winter season we are wearing this type of clothes, woolen clothes. It is very hot in summer season. So we wear light colored cotton clothes. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat and keep us cool. We get cotton from cotton plants. This is cotton clothes. Summer season we are wearing cotton clothes. Cotton clothes allow air to pass through. They absorb sweat easily. We get cotton from cotton plants. During rainy season, we wear raincoats and gumboots when we get out in the rain. We also carry umbrellas with us. These clothes are waterproof. They protect us from rain. Uniforms. Children wear specific dresses when they go to school. Such dresses are called uniform. See, These children are going to school. They are wearing school uniform. Cotton is the most popular and the best selling fabric in the world. Kimono is the traditional Japanese robe. Some adults also wear special uniforms. Their uniforms are designed to suit the kind of job they do. See, naval officer, doctor, policeman, fireman, lawyer, postman, nurses, soldier. They all are adult. They wear special uniforms according to their jobs. Clothes and countries. People living in very cold regions like Antarctica wear heavy woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. People living in hot places like Arab countries wear loose cotton robes. These robes protect them from dust and also absorb sweat. Actors and dancers wear special clothes called costumes. See children, this person lives in Arab country. He is wearing loose cotton clothes. These clothes protect from dust and also absorb sweat. This person is from cold regions. That's why she is wearing woolen cloth. Taking care of clothes. We should always keep our clothes clean. We should regularly wash our clothes and iron them. We should wash our clothes in gentle detergent and dry them under the sun. Some clothes like silk and woolens need to be dried clean. We should keep naphthalene balls or neem leaves with our clothes as these protect them from insects. Let's go over. We wear clothes to look smart. Clothes cover our body and also protect us from heat, cold and rain. There are two kinds of fibers, natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers that we get from plants or animals. Man-made fibers are those fibers that are artificially made by man. We should take care of our clothes. Thank you children.